What's up guys, Dylan here with Flatirons Tuning, back for another product showcase. This week we wanted to talk to you guys about some of our OEM PCV hose kits. We got a direct relationship with Subaru, so we have access to tons of parts from them, and we try to make it easy and compile everything into spots where you can buy them in one click. We've got a bunch of kits available from Subaru, and we try to make life easy by getting everything that you would need most likely in one click. We do have a lot of stuff listed individually, or if you see hoses you need that aren't in the kit, we can certainly confirm fitment and get them up on the site for you. We do find that, where you need one hose, you usually need many, and often sometimes even a new purge solenoid too, as we all know, taking those brittle hoses apart, things like to break. So we wanted to make sure it's all in one spot, one easy click for you, so you know what you're getting, and anything that you don't see that you need, definitely let us know. We're always here to help. Speaking from experience, these hoses are extremely important to the health of your motor. I've personally had a piston melt from a PCV hose cracking during a pull, and that's not to mention even the issues that can come from like a mild vacuum leak, like poor idle, poor gas mileage, and the like. So definitely don't hesitate to check out our kits. Make sure to reach out to us if you're unsure, because we're always happy to confirm fitment or set something else up for you. And yeah, definitely just keep us in mind when you're looking at one hose. Usually there's a need for many, so we've got these kits set up to make your life easier. Thanks for checking out the product showcase as always. If you're looking for new products for next week, definitely let us know in the comments below. We're always looking for new stuff to list, or if you want more information about old products we've got, definitely ask. Thanks for checking us out, and make sure to check out the Instagram, the YouTube membership, and our newsletter for all kinds of awesome information throughout the week, and even some inside deals on sales and all kinds of stuff like that. We're always looking for customer submissions too, so if you want a chance to be featured on the newsletter or on the social media, definitely make sure to check out that, and we've got a bunch of information on where you can submit in the newsletter and on some of our other content. Thanks for watching guys. As always, stay tuned with Flatirons Tuning.